It's almost 5 o'clock.
Yep.
You want to go and get the thing?
Are you busy?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
You gotta get used to this.
I have to get used to this?
Because it's gonna happen.
Alright.
You wanted to go and get the thing for the ironing board. That's what it's
Yes.
called.
That is the thing for the ironing board.
And we wanted to clean the house.
Yes.
And we wanted to maybe talk about our finances and get that all arranged, right?
Yes.
In the spirit of getting everything arranged.
Okay.
Do you want to go to Dairy Queen? They got ice cream.
There are so many reasons why I married you.
And is this one of those reasons?
I gotta say it is.
I really want to go to Dairy Queen.
Okay. Is it close by?
Yeah, it's like a 5-10 minute drive away.
Sick. So we get ironing board, Dairy Queen.
Uh-huh.
Or do we want to get ironing board, do our stuff, and then go get Dairy Queen?
I don't know. It's like almost dinner time. So I feel like if we push it too late, we're going to get tired. And we're not going to want to go. So that's the move. Cleaning. Ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay. Pleasure doing business with you.
That was a weak ass handshake.
It's my left hand. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Oh God. Oh God.
Okay. I just edited tomorrow's vlog. It's exporting now. I realize every single night I reach a point where I'm just too tired to do everything I say I want to do. And so I begin the vlog where I'm like, I'm going to do all these really festive things. And then at the end of the night, I'm like, no, I'm not going to do any of those things. I'm sorry. I will be doing them eventually, is the thing. It's just like, it depends on how much energy I have at the end of the day, because being pregnant does suck my energy. It really does. I will be getting out my Switch in a minute here, though, because I want to play that, okay? I don't know about the spooky bath. I don't know when spotty will happen, but it will happen because I have this stuff. It's going to happen. But priority is I need to make sure my house is in order, and we were way behind on laundry. Like a lot. Ethan's stuff is still slowly getting unpacked from when he moved in with me. So that also is adding to it, because like we're unpacking and washing and like realizing we have a lot of stuff. We have too much stuff. In fact, I kind of had not a nightmare, but like an anxiety like thought, I guess you could call it, last night, where I was like, I need to get rid of everything. Like all these squishmallows back there behind the pillows. I was like, I don't need you. I think you all need to go, because I don't want anything, and I don't want anything on the floor, and I don't want anything on the shelves, and I want to be the, you know, the clean girl aesthetic where it's like minimalistic everything. But the truth of the matter is that's just not who I am. You playing with the battery? Sweet. Grim is chilling with me, waiting for dinner. We have yet to decide what we're going to do for dinner. Ethan's listening to a podcast and cleaning downstairs while I do the laundry up here. So I'm going to check and see where we're at and see if we're ready to go and get Dairy Queen, because I really, really want that today. But yeah, things will get done slowly but surely. It's hard to balance doing what I want to do during Vlogtober, what I need to do, and also fitting in the amount of time that I spend at work, because I do have a full-time job. This is not my full-time job. I don't know if it ever will be. I just enjoy making videos, and that's why I do this. So the priority is always going to be my job, my house, my family, and then whatever is left is my hobbies. This is a hobby, okay? So thank you for bearing with me when I just reach a state where I'm just like, that's it. Good night. Gotta go to sleep. And I don't accomplish what I say I'm going to accomplish. I'm sure that's like a little misleading when I'm like, we're going to do all these things, and then we don't do any of those things. The weekends will always be better. The weekends are always going to be more full of things that I have planned out because I do have more time to kind of separate, you know, what needs to be done in the house and my hobbies because I'm not going to work. Honest truth about living in this society. Work just takes away from the things that you want to do. Unfortunately, if you're lucky enough to make your hobbies your job, I envy you. That must be amazing. That's not where I'm at in life. So, here we are. I still am very fortunate to be where I am and to have a full-time job and to be able to afford to go to Dairy Queen on a whim. I will say that, and I recognize it. So, not to complain, but also, that's just reality. So, anyway, this weekend we do plan on going to the haunted forest, and my sister Evie's coming down for it. I'm not going to go to any of the haunted attractions, but Ethan will. I'm just going to be there for the vibes, essentially, like last year. And, yeah, we'll see what else we can try to get into the spooky mood. Took us 30 minutes, but we found an open Dairy Queen. This was not the adventure I thought we were going on.
I don't mind it. Oh, hello, Curb. How you doing? Excuse me, ma'am.
The first one was definitely temporary closed. And so we're like, okay, 16 minutes, we can make it. That one was in a casino. Not doing it. So we kept driving another 15 minutes to the one that's open, and now we're getting what I think is going to be a pretty good dinner. I'm excited. I got a bacon cheeseburger. You got a...
I got the same thing.
Bacon cheeseburger. And then we got Blizzards. They got the pumpkin. Yeah.
I got Oreo fudge.
Yeah. It's going to be delicious.
They don't have the choco cherry fudge like they used to. That was my favorite.
That sounds really good, actually.
They got rid of the cherry.
I wonder if you could like add it in. Just be like,
They got rid of the cherry.
oh,
Yeah.
stung.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'm excited for the pumpkin. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, when I get home, remind me to get my Switch out because I've been saying I'm going to do it and I keep forgetting to grab it. I need to charge it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Did we order the charger?
Yeah. We also found the old one.
Yeah.
So we got both.
Sick.
Nice. Okay. We just got back from dinner. It was delicious. It slapped. We knew exactly what we wanted. We got what we wanted. I got my pumpkin blizzard, which I wasn't sure they had because it wasn't on the menu, but it was there.
It's very good.
It's very good. Now it's time for Switch and the gentleman. Right, honey? Baby?
Yes.
Yes. You heard me?
Receiving my child.
Hi, Grimmy. Oh,
Say hello, Grimmy. Grimmy does not like that.
she don't like that at all.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, kisses. The fact that she loves you as much as she does is just so fascinating to me because
Habadushki.
she doesn't love me this much.
Oh man, she freaking loves me.
She really
Hi,
does.
Freya. Hi, baby. Come here.
We're gonna watch The Gentleman, and I'm gonna get my Switch out and start playing my game. Do we have anything else? I need to change out the
I
laundry.
have received my other child.
Little Freya. We need to switch out the laundry.
Oh. Hi, Freya. Come here. Oh, hey. Come here.
Switch out the laundry.
Yeah.
Get your switch. Plug it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Which one do you want to do?
I want to do the switch. I really don't want to do the laundry. But I have, my brain just died. I think I either put a new load in the dryer or I was waiting.
It was on the final spin cycle last night.
Yeah, but it was taking forever. It took like 30 minutes, so I don't even remember if I took that out.
Well,
But
I'll go check.
if it is still in there, then the next load is light, not white, but lights. So things that are like creams and like my sweater that got dirty yesterday, stuff like that. It can have color, but it's not like the darks and it's not whites. It should be all in front of. It should all be in front of the washer. Except for your orange thing, which I put there as well. I don't think that should go in there.
No, it's getting washed alone.
Okay, cool. Hey, Grim. Hi, baby. Should we play? She's been playing again, which is a new development because she was very sick a couple months ago. And she has, now that she's a little bit more comfortable with her sister Freya, started to play with her toys again. Hi, my little girl. Come here. Come on. Oh, okay. We're up here. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my Switch. Nintendo is charging, so haven't been able to do anything yet. Grammy! I got her that little spring in the middle of the floor for her to play. But she's doing the I want to keep an eye on Freya thing again.
She listening hard.
Yeah.
Come here, Grimmy. Come here, baby. Oh no, she's gonna act like she's not doing anything.
And
She's
then
gonna
come
start playing.
pouncing on it.
Yeah, you gotta trick it.
Class 12, 6th floor, passports in the soft drawer in the bedroom. Dates rolls out again. Just to be clear, you don't have shit outside of it.
I got tired again. But I did actually get my Switch up and running. It just doesn't have the Halloween stuff yet, so I'm gonna try again tomorrow before I fully focus on that. But yeah, that trip to Dairy Queen took a lot out of me, what can I say? But tomorrow I've got some things planned with friends, and so definitely gonna have a little bit more energy then, hopefully. Anyway, I'm going to bed. I'm tired. So happy Halloween. See you tomorrow.